So we're going to do a deep meditation practice. So closing your eyes. Just take a few cycles of breath. Coming into contact with your breath. And just beginning to notice what's here, present. With the in-breath in, staying at that level. And with the out-breath out, just allowing yourself to drop a little deeper. Allowing all of the energies of your body to begin to move. Staying at that level on the in-breath and dropping a little deeper with the out-breath. Through this way of working, we are allowing ourselves to make contact with tensions. And then, as we make contact with the in-breath, the out-breath, we just begin to soften. To begin to soften around the tension. Through this way of working, we are installing awareness into our being, becoming more proficient at the process of becoming aware. We begin to notice where we are holding and perhaps no longer need to hold in those areas of our body, areas of our being. Just beginning to know where I can let go now. And on the in-breath, staying. And the out-breath, just deepening. Begin to follow your own impulse, your own spiritual evolutionary impulse. Stay on the in-breath, and then deepen on the out-breath. When in doubt, come back to your body. Just stay with the breath. In-breath in, and then deepening on the out-breath. Allowing your emotions to begin to drop down into the space created by your body. Beginning of a movement, the in-breath in, and just letting them filter in on the out-breath out, deepening. On the out-breath out, deepening. Allowing emotion to come in on the in-breath. And on the out-breath, deepening. To form kind of like this magnet. This magnet of pulling emotion in gently into the space of the body. Where it can be integrated here in our physical body. In-breath in, allowing the emotion in, and the out-breath out, moving ever deeper into the deep state of the body. Your own personal deep state of your body. We'll just stay with some cycles of breath, allowing emotion to come in and flow downward into the body, into the space. Gently adding the mind into the practice. On the in-breath in, inviting the mind down into the body. And on the out-breath, forming that magnet, gently pulling everything in and moving through. All of the thinking thoughts, the movement of the mind, beginning to gently drain into the body. And then what is of most concern, of highest concern, becoming open to that on the in-breath, and on the out-breath, gently bringing that down into the body. Staying with it on the in-breath, and deepening on the out-breath. And then gently half opening your eyes. See if you can stay with this contact, the inner space of the practice. And as always, thank you for joining me in meditation. Please feel free to like and subscribe and write comments below. Have a great day. Bye-bye.